Well, Space is an architectural firm that we have been focusing on sustainable design for 18 years now. And well, our expectations are that everybody's talking about many things on the CUP, but there's little talks about sustainable architectural and mostly sustainable interiors. We spend a lot of time on interiors, and there's not much talk about how to create and how the interiors are affecting the environment.
So concretely, what is your daily action about make the world greener?
Well, we have built a methodology that's called Shades of Green. So basically what we believe is every single project should be green. There are projects that are darker, green darker, and there are projects that are a little lighter, depending on the client, the culture, and even the budget. But what we want to do with every single client is to train them, to educate them, and to convince them to go greener as much as they can.
Okay, would you say that green architecture has not been enough in the center of negotiations?
I think so. I think that we're focusing a lot of nature and on the planet, but in a very near future, we all gonna be living in cities. So we have to start focusing in architecture and building environments, because it's gonna be too late if we don't start doing something now.
So concretely, how do you build a green building? What kind of material do you use? What kind of technique are you using?
Well, normally we focus on efficiency. We try to focus on energy efficiency. We try to focus on materials, reusing materials and recycling materials. We try to focus on water, the efficiency on the use of water. And also the pollution and the air that you breathe when you're in an interior. Those are the main elements that we focus on.
Isn't it much more expensive than, I would say, direct building?
Well, it used to be at the beginning, and now the industry is coming up with new ideas, new materials. And today, even to have a building with an international certification like could be LEED, for example, it's not as expensive as it used to be, and it could be very similar the price to a regular building.
And actually, if you can save energy, you can save money in the same times, right?
Yes, with a green building, you can save up to 40% of energy. So that's in a long term, that's a huge saving.
Thank you very much for your time and for your answers.